I wrapped the pipe under the sink with aluminum foil, not knowing if it would be worth it. It turned out I had discovered a method that was a total hit. This clever trick was suggested to me by a plumber. I'm sure you've never heard of using foil like this before. A lot of dirt and grease builds up in kitchen sink pipes. While washing dishes, food scraps go down the drain, which leads to unpleasant odors. We use hot water for washing, which melts the grease. In the drain pipes, it starts to cool down, blocking the flow. It turns out that regular aluminum foil is all you need. Tear off a large piece, then tightly wrap it around the pipe. Cover the entire surface of the drain pipe with it. Foil has thermal insulation properties, which helps keep the water flowing through it warm for longer. Oil and greasy residue will flow into the vertical pipe without sticking to the bend or drain. I tested this trick myself, and there's no longer a bad smell coming from my faucet, even after pouring out leftover grease from a pan. I'm thrilled that such a cheap and simple method actually works. Hang aluminum foil on your plants. Your garden will thank you for it. This method deserves a medal. Start by preparing a small bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee. Coffee contains caffeine and antioxidants, which have extraordinary properties, especially in the garden. Now, time for bay leaves. Highly aromatic, they have antibacterial and repellent effects. This is true garden gold. Crush 2 smaller bay leaves into small pieces. The next ingredient is hot red pepper. It releases a really strong, irritating smell. This is an important part of the mix. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika to the bowl. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Prepare a larger piece of aluminum foil. Place 1 tablespoon of the prepared mixture in the center. Fold the foil to form a smaller square packet. Take a toothpick and make several small holes across the surface of the foil. This step is crucial. Hang the finished packets on your plants in the garden, securing them with a clip. On flowers or shrubs, this acts as a natural barrier. It repels aphids, snails, ants, and other pests that can't stand the smell of this mixture. Additionally, the foil itself, by reflecting light, discourages insects from approaching the plants. It's a natural and safe solution to keep unwanted guests away.
This trick will make ironing much faster. Just spread aluminum foil on the ironing board. It's important to place it with the shiny side up. Then iron the clothing. The foil reflects heat from the board, which straightens both sides of the fabric. Just run the iron over a few times and you're done. Put aluminum foil in a pot of boiling water. For years, I worked as a housekeeper for wealthy people. This trick saved me a lot of nerves at work. When I first heard about this trick, I didn't want to believe it worked. Place a pot of water on the stove. Then bring the water to a boil. Cut aluminum foil into squares. Make them into walnut-sized balls. Drop them into the boiling water. I also throw in the cutlery that needs polishing, with tough-to-remove stains and spots. I boil them for 5 minutes and turn off the stove. I lay them on a kitchen towel and dry them off. The cutlery doesn't need polishing. Just dry them, and they're ready. They have no stains and shine beautifully. The steel has no spots and looks like new. You'll never buy coffee capsules again. This trick will save you a lot of money. Don't throw away used capsules. You can easily reuse them. Take a used capsule and cut the silver cover with a knife. Then, empty the coffee. Fill the capsule with new ground coffee. Compact it with a spoon. Remove any excess coffee grounds. Cut a square from aluminum foil. Cover the capsule with it and fold it around, sealing it tightly. Use a knife to trim any excess foil, and you're done. You can use the capsule the same way as store-bought ones. This trick is safe for your coffee machine. It's cost-effective and efficient. The coffee tastes perfect. Are you missing a battery for your remote control? You don't have to run to the store. In the kitchen, you have one thing that can replace the battery. Take aluminum foil and tear off a large piece. Then fold it into a small rectangle. Next, crumple it to create a cylinder. Make it roughly the same size as the battery. Insert it into the empty slot. The foil will complete the electrical circuit in the device. The remote will work powered by just one battery. Did you know about this?
Wrap your feet in aluminum foil. This will help you maintain good health. Colds and runny noses won't be such a threat anymore. During the winter season, this trick will assist you at the first signs of chilling and a cold. All you need is ordinary aluminum foil and vapor rub ointment. This ointment contains menthol, camphor, and essential oils. Apply it to your feet, focusing on your toes and the soles. Vapor rub ointment is suitable for adults and children from the age of 5. It is recommended for treating cold symptoms. Its consistency is perfect for body application. The menthol scent is pleasant and brings relief during upper respiratory infections. Apply the ointment to the other foot as well. Take a piece of foil, place the foot on it, and wrap it tightly. You can use another piece of foil to cover the entire foot. Apply the foil to both feet in this way. Aluminum foil will retain heat. Leave the wrapped feet for about an hour. This way, you will quickly alleviate cold symptoms. This trick is especially useful for people who always have cold feet. You don't have to reach for medication right away. Use this wrap for several days. You will surely feel better. Every morning, I wrap a roll of toilet paper in aluminum foil. It may look strange, but watch until the end. You'll start doing it too. Place a new toilet paper roll on aluminum foil with the shiny side facing out. Wrap the roll completely and cut off any excess foil. Then, twist one end to form a cylinder, creating a sturdy base. Now, remove the toilet paper from inside. This creates a disposable food container that holds heat well and doesn't need washing. It's perfect for packing breakfast for work. All you need is aluminum foil in the dishwasher to avoid having to replace your appliance. Aluminum foil has many uses, not just for food packaging. It turns out it's also a great helper in tackling residue and dullness on dishes. Its anti-corrosive properties help restore shine, making glasses look like new. Just tear off a piece of foil, place it in the dishwasher basket, gently slipping it between the bars that hold the plates. Then, add your glasses and run the dishwasher as usual. Streaks, residue, and cloudy spots on glasses are common problems that ruin the clean effect. However, after the washing cycle is complete, you'll immediately notice the difference. The glasses will be spotless, streak-free, and their shine will truly dazzle. Instead of spending time polishing, the aluminum foil will do it for you. It's the cheapest way to achieve perfectly shiny glasses. Everyone will surely ask how you keep them in such great condition.